In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Gmail using either the standard yellow or any color of your choice. Highlighting text in your emails can be a great way to emphasize important information and ensure that key points stand out to your readers. So, let's dive into the process and make your emails more vibrant and easier to read. First, we need to access Gmail on your computer. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.gmail.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, let's start composing a new email. Click on the Compose button, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface. This will open a new email window where you can start drafting your message. Now, let's focus on the body of your email where you plan to highlight text. To begin, type out the text you wish to highlight. To do this, click on the body section of your email and enter your content as you normally would. Once you've typed out your message and identified the specific text you want to highlight, move your cursor to the beginning of that text. Click and drag your mouse over the section you want to emphasize to select it. Next, we want to apply the highlighting effect. Look for the formatting toolbar located at the bottom of the Compose window. This is where we find options for bold, italics, and importantly, background color. Click on the A icon that represents text color. A drop-down menu should appear offering you a range of colors to choose from, including our standard yellow and many others. Click on the color you wish to apply as the highlight, and it will be instantly reflected on the selected text. If you want to experiment with different colors, simply repeat this step. Select the text again, open the text color drop-down, and choose a different color. Don't be afraid to try a few colors until you find one that highlights your text just the way you like. Remember, you can always change it back to the default color by selecting the Remove Color option in the same drop-down if you decide that the highlighting isn't necessary. Before finalizing your email, take a moment to review your highlighted sections. Ensure that the colors you chose enhance the readability of your email and effectively draw attention to the most important information. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, proceed to add recipients, subject, and any other necessary details like attachments or links, and that's all there is to it. Highlighting text in Gmail can help your message stand out and can be an effective tool for improving communication. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Enjoy highlighting in Gmail, and we'll see you next time.